Instacart shoppers, quick question. Why are some of you all still not using the Instacart Rewards debit card? It's free, it's simple, and if you're shopping every day like I am, you're literally leaving money on the table. So let's talk about it. And in case you don't know, my name is T. I have been a full time, full service Instacart shopper for over 8 years, and I have done well over 10,000 batches. So, the Instacart Rewards debit card is basically a free debit card made for Instacart shoppers. And if you ever stop doing Instacart, you can still utilize the card. Now, it's not your batch payment card, it is separate. You can get paid faster, earn rewards, manage your earnings, use it like a regular debit card. And the best part, there is no monthly fees. Now, if you're doing batches consistently, your money is moving constantly. Now, instead of waiting days for transfers or paying extra fees for instant payout, you can get instant access to your earnings, avoid unnecessary transfer delays, potentially earn cash back or perks. And when you're working a gig to gig, cash flow matters. Now, if you do Instacart via part time or full time, if you're trying to manage bills better or just want faster access to your money, it is worth looking into. Now, I've done over 10,000 batches, and one thing that I have learned, you have to manage your money smart as a gig worker. Now, listen, don't just sign up for anything without reading the details. Always check the fee structure, ATM access, transfer policies. But if it's a fit for your situation, it can be a solid tool. And as gig workers, we don't get traditional payroll systems, so we have to be strategic. And if you want more real Instacart tips, not the sugar coated stuff, please like, comment, and subscribe. And answer this question. Are you using the rewards card yet? Or are you still doing the regular transfers and getting charged? And just to let you know, if you wanted to get the card and then still have another card on there, you can always have it automatically taken out and deposited into the Instacart Rewards card, which, by the way, is done after each and every order at no additional cost. There's nothing you need to do. It automatically does it and sends you a notification every single time that it does. But just say you didn't want to have it go to that card today or tomorrow or whenever. You can absolutely have it go to another card. The only difference is that instead of it being 50 cents per payout, it is now $1.75 if you don't use that card. But look into it, and until next video, happy shopping!